Hi folks, today we are going to prepare one snack item with poha. For that, what all the requirements are? Poha, poha, groundnut seeds, fried chana dal seeds, curry leaves, and dry coconut. Dry coconut which is shaped like this, and oil. Now lit the gas with some oil. After oil gets heated, fry this poha as well as groundnut seeds as well as futani, which is called as fried chana dal, and curry leaves and coconut. Now wait for oil to get heated. After it gets heated, you can fry first groundnut seeds. Later on we can. In this, chili powder and snacks is also required. 2 or 3 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now oil got heated. Just fry groundnut seeds first till it gets reddish brown. Just fry it. Till oil has to get heated, but I kept earlier. Here oil is sunflower oil or groundnut oil or palm oil, any oil you can use. I am using Fortune refined oil, sunflower oil, not rice barn oil. Only sunflower oil I am using. After the groundnuts get like this, you can remove them like this. If you fry too much, then it will be bad. If you fry less also, it will be bad. Now I have taken the groundnut seeds. Now you can use this for fry them. This will be fried easy because it is roasted earlier, so it will be fried easy early only. After it comes to reddish brown, remove them. The snacks which I am going to prepare, you can preserve in the sealed container, and you can preserve till 1 month. You can use that one. Now I have taken this chana, fried chana dal also. Now I am using curry leaves. Because curry leaves are wet, it is not dried, so it will be like that only. It should get like this. Now you can less the flame because curry leaves get fried easily and quickly. Now I have taken the curry leaves also. Now we can fry this groundnut, this one, coconut. It should also get reddish brown. See, it is reddish brown only. You need to sim the flame. because this will get quicker, fried quicker. As this is dry coconut, it will be fried quicker. Now it's over, you can remove this one. Because oil will be there, like this you can remove. Check like this, remove entirely. Now add another thing, we're coming to the main part. So just little bit, again it will come like this. So can remove immediately. This you can remove. Now oil got too heated, so make it sim. You can prepare like this. How much quantity you want, you require, you can prepare that much quantity. Now I have taken everything. Now remove the kadai from the heated place to another place, so that oil will not get evaporated. I have did all these things. Now for spicy, add 3 teaspoons of 3 teaspoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. Already I have added here, so I'm adding less. Now mix like this. Everything should be mixed. Now I have mixed. Now you can see here coconut, groundnut, and this one, everything which is mixed. This will be kept in a tight container and you can preserve for 1 month. This can be used as a snack item and you can try once at your home. For 150 grams of poha, you will get 1/2 kg container full.